welcome back to my channel. My name is Experince and I am a natural hair advocate and a consultant based in Abuja, Nigeria. I make hair videos and teach African women how they can grow their hair. So if that sounds like your thing, ensure to subscribe and click the bell that's just right beside the subscribe button so that you will be notified anytime a new content drops. A few days ago I uploaded a video where I make the best DIY deep conditioner for my hair using avocado and other things, and it was quite nice. The only thing is that I said you should not try it at home. If you've seen that video, you will know why I said you shouldn't try it at home. So a lot of people actually said, okay, I need to upload how I made that video, and that is why we are here today. So today I'm going to show you how to make that hair mask right in the comfort of your home, and your hair is definitely going to thank you for it. So let's go right into the video. So here we're going to be needing avocado that is ripe. So I'm going to be using half. So avocado is very good when it comes to the hair. It contains a lot of vitamin E and amino acid that helps strengthen the hair and prevent it from damage. Then I'm gonna need like 2 fingers of banana. You might use one depending on the volume of your hair. Using banana to your hair helps prevent dandruff and itchy scalp. So I actually added 1 egg to this mixture. I didn't know that I didn't capture that, so I'm gonna go blend all of it up. So this is what we got after blending. Everything is completely gone and it is so yummy. I don't know. Stage, I'm gonna add some yogurt, some plain yogurt or the Greek yogurt. So I'm going to be adding my hair growth oil, the one I made by myself, to this tip. So this hair growth oil will soon be available for purchase. I'm working really hard so that I can have this on my product line very soon. I can't wait to share this with you. We all need to have this lovely hair. Then the next thing I'm going to add is honey. So just this is just my personal preference, and maybe that's why my hair is actually loved, because I give a lot of attention to my hair. And finally I'm going to be adding, this is my onion and ginger juice that I made. I actually have a video on that on my channel, so if you want to learn how to make this, kindly go check it out. Okay, so adding this together and I'm just mixing it. You can see how yummy it is. Okay, but my hair will be eating everything. I mean everything. This one doesn't have lumps because I make sure that I blended it until it is smooth. Okay, so after making it, I'm actually like turning it into smaller jars. So I'll use one for myself, but I'll leave the other one for my sister. So thank you so much for watching. If you do enjoy this, why not just give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and click the bell that's just right beside it so that you'll be notified anytime a new content drops in this channel. Until another time when I will come your way, my name is Experince. Bye.